sexual shit. Where did Amy go? She was right in front of me! Ah, my bones! Oh, I knew I should have.
How does anyone find that funny? I mean, seriously, how does anyone find that funny? If you laughed at it, there's something seriously wrong with you.
You've reached your limit on talking. Shut the fuck up.
You can leave. We're not doing this again.
I miss my wife. I miss her a lot. I'll be back.
Shut your fucking mouth!
Problem 1, you're completely bald. Problem 2, your pants are the same color as your shirt. Problem 3, you look like a dollar store potato head.